pocket.
Oh no! Bud, wait, let's call the Paw Patrol. Let's get a telephone and call the Paw Patrol. Tell them about that. Paw Patrol is on a roll! Here they come. Come on, pups. Let's go. Oh no, Rebel's blocking it. Rebel, you can't get inside there. It'll break. Come on, Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol. Whenever you're in trouble. Doink, doink. Oh no! What seems to be wrong? Oh, I don't know. I see there's a train that fell off the track. Oh yeah, and one of the cars is tipped over. And it's even worse than that. The track's broken. Oh no! Here, I can help. Ready? Let's all lift together. Yay! We did it! Yay! Choo-choo! Bye, Paw Patrol! Bye, Paw Patrol! Wait for me! Hey, wait for me! Wait for me too! Hey, wait for me too! Hey, wait for me! Everybody aboard! All aboard! Come on, Paw Patrol! Come on, Rebel! What are you doing, Rebel? Rebel's in the back! No room for Rebel. Come on, Rebel, there's room for you. Get up right here. Try again, try again. Oh, Rebel is too slippery. I'll move. Come on. Yay! It's a big storm. Oh, big storm is knocking everything over. Whoa! It's a storm. Whoa, the trees fell over. Tell me, what happened here? What happened to your train car? Whoa, what happened? Now, what's it destroy? What happened to it? Let's call the Paw Patrol. Huh? Wait a minute, you called the Paw Patrol. That's a Mr. Potato Head. We're in here. What? Did you hear something? Inside. Huh? What?
Paw
The
Patrol!
Paw Patrol from the potato? What? Get out, Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol, there was a big storm. And it knocked out all these things in the village. Zuma, Rebel, Rubble, what do you think we should do first? Okay, Rubble's gonna go check something out. I think I'm gonna start by picking up helping all the people that fell over. Yeah, good idea. Are you okay? Oh, yeah, I'm okay. Here, let me help you up. Oh, thanks. Here you go. You should rest inside this house. Whoa, let's pick it up. We can pick those things up. Let's pick them up. Zuma and Chase are making an emergency shelter. Let's bring all the buildings together to make a place where the people can rest after that storm. Great idea. Let's dive in. Chase is on the case. This is so heavy. I'll push. Push. Got it. Okay. I have first aid training. That means I can help people if they're hurt. I'll stay here and help the people. Thanks. That's a great idea, Marshall. Hey, it looks like Rubble got all the trees and the signs back up. Let's check it out. Thanks for helping to put the forest back together. Oh, are you gonna go pick up those signs?
Yeah.
We'll come too. There's gotta be a faster way to get around this town. Hey, do you think we could ride on the train? Choo-choo! Did somebody say they need a train ride? Hop on in. All right.
I want to go here.
This will be faster. Let's go.
It's so far away.
Yeah. Clear the way. We're coming through.
This way, Chase. This way. Come on. This way.
Okay, we made it. Let's get off and pick up these signs.
Rubble on top.
Just stop. Pup's gotta fly. Great. I'm gonna try to ride down on this taxi. Ready? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ouch. Let's try riding down this flat one. Here I go. Whoa! After we pick up these lampposts, we'll be all done. Let's do it.
Rubble got it.
Chase and Zuma help with this one.
Oh no, look!
What is it?
Oh, it's going to go down.
2 more. Let's go. Marshall, how are you doing? Everybody's feeling much better. All right, Paw Patrol. Looks like we put the whole town back together. Thanks, Paw Patrol. Yeah, thanks. I feel much better. Oh, look. Your head looks better, too. All right, Paw Patrol. Are we ready to roll? Huh? Where did Rocky go? Right there. It's Rocky. I thought we were missing somebody. Yeah. Did I miss much? Well, the whole town's put back together, but you're just in time to give us a ride back to the Paw Patrol Tower. All right, all aboard.